In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy and paste a math equation from a website into Microsoft Word or PowerPoint and format it properly so it looks clean and professional. This is perfect for students, teachers, researchers, or anyone creating presentations with mathematical formulas. By the end of this video, you'll be able to take any equation from ChatGPT or another website and convert it into a fully formatted equation inside PowerPoint or Word in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT or any website where your math formula is displayed. This could be a homework solution, a generated formula, or any mathematical expression you need for your document or presentation. Once you see the formula on the screen, carefully select it using your mouse. Make sure you highlight the entire equation, including brackets, fractions, exponents, and symbols. After selecting it, right-click and click Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also follow the exact same steps in Microsoft Word since the equation tools work very similarly. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the slide where you want to insert the equation. Now go to the top menu and click on Insert. In the Insert tab, click on Text Box. Your cursor will change, allowing you to draw a text box anywhere on the slide. Click and drag to create the text box in the position where you want your equation to appear. Once the text box is created, click inside it and paste your copied formula by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. At this stage, the formula will usually appear as plain text. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Now here's the key step that converts your plain text into a properly formatted math equation. Using your mouse, select the entire formula inside the text box. Make sure everything is highlighted. Then, on your keyboard, press Alt+= at the same time. As soon as you do this, PowerPoint or Word will automatically convert the selected text into an equation format. You'll notice that the Equation tab appears in the top menu. The formula may already look better, but we're going to improve it further. With the equation still selected, look for the option called Professional in the equation formatting tools. Click on Professional. This will transform the equation into a clean mathematical layout with proper fractions, superscripts, square roots, and alignment. And that's it. Your equation is now fully formatted and ready to use in your presentation or document. You can resize it, reposition it, or adjust the font size just like any other object in PowerPoint or Word. This method saves a lot of time compared to manually rebuilding equations using the equation builder from scratch. Just copy, paste, press Alt+=, and switch to professional format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Office tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.